What is up, guys? Welcome back. Today we're gonna make the perfect dog bed. I just said it, just dropped the bomb. It's gonna be the perfect dog bed, and here's why. We've all had them. You find a nice dog bed at the store. It costs 20 bucks, $29, $49, 60 bucks. It's real nice. How long does it last? Not very long. Why? It gets dirty. It starts to smell. It gets all muddy. Your cat in it. Your husband in it. Your dog in it. They ate it. You never know. I've got the perfect solution. It has no bottom. It just has an outside that puts any kind of bedding you want. You can change out your bedding. You can do different colors. You get tired of different colors, change your color. Seasons. And we all know that the dog beds say washable. Guess what? They're not really that washable. Usually I keep you on here and I build stuff and then I show it to you. I have so much confidence in this. I want to show it to you now and why you need it. And then you can watch this video and I'll show you exactly how to make your own. And keep in mind, you can make any size you want according to whatever animal you have. Now, like I said before, we can just take these blankets out once a week, whenever we need to, wash them. It's in. It's already got a customer looking at it.
Perfect.
You can see the progress we're making here. It is now really close to dark and I'm starting to panic. I've got to hurry and do the front. So I'm going to cover the front and then I'll just saw it all out from the back. Check out this piece of wood I found. It's like a straight up tree. Whenever you need to sand like crazy and it's real rough, angle grinder. There it is. Let me go find a blanket to throw in there, or a couple of blankets or whatever. There's another customer. Hold on a minute. Got this old comforter. This thing is really thick and fluffy. They're gonna love it. Try to get it in there nice and even. And keep in mind, you can do anything you want. You can do seasonal stuff, Christmas stuff, with the holiday season, or whatever. There's that one. And then we got another one over here I'll throw in there. Here we go. Oh, look at this. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. We got the spin going. Yeah, he's not getting up anytime soon. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Alright guys, that's all I have for today. If you liked the video, make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you didn't like the video, go on the bottom of my channel called Bad Mofos. Hours and hours of fun. Make sure you subscribe for future videos, and there's also over 100 I have on there as well. Check them out. Thanks again for watching. Take care. Later. Peace.